To operate Hoover Oven, open the lid. Twist these knobs right here to operate. This is for the temperature. You can also press this button right here so the ignition sound will turn on. This one, you can twist this knob for the light, for the air, fan. This is for the grilling, and this one is when you turn on the grilling with a fan. Twist the knob, hold and twist the knob to the left. You will see that the fire from below will turn on. Close. If you switch to the griller, twist the knob and twist it to the right. This griller will turn on. Then you can release the knob once it's turned on. You can also set the timer by pressing these buttons right here and then press this play button. To turn off, twist the knob back and the griller is turned off. Close the knob when you're done.